I'm super pumped. My new helmet just got delivered to my office. It's Saturday, so I'm gonna run and grab it. Rob left his door open. It's actually like 40 degrees right now, so probably not the best day to go snowmobiling, but good day to drive and get my new helmet. I memeasured my head using pipe cleaners and a ruler. Based on that calculation, my head is like 23.5 inches around, I don't know, the circumference. That would say like a size large helmet is what I need. I think that they probably just left it down here. Maybe they put it up by my office, so. But there it is. All right, so I got this thing. It says it's a 2020 509 something. I don't know. 509 Delta R3 Ignite. I think they call it Stormtrooper. It fits so good. The true test. My glasses. Glasses go on easy. This thing is sick. This one's heated. If I plug it in, it will not fog up as much. And I notice as I'm walking, it's a dual pane. It's a dual pane or whatever also. And I was noticing it's not nearly as foggy just walking and talking. So I'm so stoked. This thing is awesome. I can't wait to ride again. Got my helmet. Hopefully we can ride tomorrow. It came with like that sweet GoPro mount, which is cool, but I gotta figure out how to adapt it to my mounting setup. So stoked to try it, but it seems like it doesn't fog up at all, whereas my other one would always fog up. Hopefully that's a good sign, and it's also got the electric shield. I have a pretty sweet outfit on right now. This kind of shirt, gym shorts, gym socks, brown loafers. I've talked about this before, but I'm gonna bring it up again. Laura and I used to do this in Royal Oak, and it's called Fat Kid Dinner. It's whatever you can find in the freezer aisle, and then you eat it all at once. Unfortunately, she is not going on this journey with me.
Not today.
I've already eaten about 1.5 pounds of pizza rolls, White Castle sliders, bagel bites, pizza, mini pretzel nuggets. I just got a call that my new eyeglasses are here too, and I also got some like daily disposable contacts to try out. So hopefully, like, that'd be awesome if I could wear contacts ever. Like, it'd be good for water skiing, it'd be fun for snowmobiling. Glasses fogging up when I snowmobile sucks. Next time you see me, I will have on different glasses. Let's see if you notice. Can you tell a difference? There's some different kind of coating on them, and it's got like a, just not a reflection, just like some sort of tint or something, like a color that I can see. Like it, I can't describe it. Basically, I'm seeing sort of like a haze of a color behind my eye or something. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm doing the polar plunge again. If you haven't already, plunge.ianashton.com. I appreciate any donation that you will give. It goes to Michigan Special Olympics. I looked last night and I think I was like the number 3 highest donations. I'm just shy of $1,000, and I think last year I made about 1,100 or 1,200. It's gonna be cool. It's this Saturday. Hungry, but I don't know what I want. I wanted to get a newer car for Laura. The GL's got like 100,000 miles on it now, whatever. And I went back and looked, and basically in the 2 years we've owned the GL, we've spent like $12,000 in maintenance. That kind of sucks. The registration on it is super expensive. I like it. It's a nice car. It tows good, but it's just, it wasn't aging well. Get rid of that. And then Laura's cousin Lisa has found us a 2017 Denali that's getting shipped here, I think from like Wyoming or something. And it looks awesome. When that gets here, it should be in the next couple days, I think this week sometime. Lisa just texted me that the Denali is here, so I'm gonna go pick it up. She won't sell it to me or let me buy it or whatever until Laura drives it, because Laura's never driven, I guess, I don't know if Laura's ever driven a Tahoe or a Denali or an Escalade, so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna go pick it up and then let Laura drive it tonight, and I guess buy it tomorrow or in the next couple days. I feel so weird. I don't have glasses on. I'm trying out contacts. I got like disposable one-day contacts, so if I'm water skiing or snowmobiling or swimming or something, I can wear those instead of having to mess around with glasses. But I feel like I look so weird driving Rob to school in the Yukon, and Rob seems to like it. We're gonna test out the DVD player for the first time. Laura drove it. She likes it. She said it's a little bit humongous, which it definitely feels so much bigger than the GL.
That's what she said.
It is a nice car. That's what she said. There's a couple things I think the dealer's gonna fix. Oh, check this out. The heads-up display is so sweet. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but there it is one last time. She's gonna send it to have service done. Like I said, it's got like a weird shutter or like a vibration they're gonna check out. I think I'm just gonna trade in the GL because selling it will be a massive pain in the butt. I can't wait to tow with that thing. I've never towed anything with trailer brakes, and that has trailer brakes, so that'll be kind of a cool thing.